know your life on earth is trouble. Only you could know the pain. You weren't afraid to face the devil. You were no stranger to the rain. Go rest high on that mountain. Son, your work on earth is done. Go to heaven shouting, love both the Father and the Son. Oh, how we cried the day you left us. Gathered round your grave to grieve. Wish I could see the angels' faces when they hear your sweet voice sing. Go rest high on that mountain. Son, your work on earth is done. Go to heaven shouting, love for the Father and the Son. Love for the Father and the Son. Way down in Columbus, Georgia. Lord, I wish I was back in Tennessee. Way down from the start, I Sing 5 by 5, 5 on 5 that came back alive. 4 was the boy that stood at the door. 3 were the Hebrew children. 2 was Paul and Silas. 1 was a little baby born in Bethlehem. Children go where I send thee. How will I send thee? Oh, I'm gonna send thee 6 by 6. 6 with the 6 that didn't get fixed. 5 with the 5 that came back alive. 4 with the 4 that stood at the door. 3 with the Hebrew children. 2 with the Paul and Silas. 1 was a little baby born in Bethlehem. Children go where I send thee. How will I send thee? Oh, I'm gonna send thee 7 by 7. 7 with the 7 that didn't get heaven. 6 with the 6 that didn't get fixed. 5 with the 5 that came back alive. 4 with the 4 that stood at the door. 3 with the Hebrew children. 2 with the Paul and Silas. 1 with the little baby born in Bethlehem. Children go where I send thee. How will I send thee? Oh, I'm gonna send thee 8 by 8. 8 with the 8 that stood at the gate. 7 with the 7 that didn't get heaven. 6 with the 6 that didn't get fixed. 5 with the 5 that came back alive. 4 with the 4 that stood at the door. 3 with the Hebrew children. 2 with Paul and Silas. 1 was a little baby born in Bethlehem. Children go where I send thee. How will I send thee? Oh, I'm gonna send thee 9 by 9. 9 was the 9 that stood in line. 8 was the 8 that waited at the gate. 7 was the 7 that never got to heaven. 6 was the 6 that didn't get fixed. 5 was the 5 that came back alive. 4 was the 4 that stood at the door. 3 was the Hebrew children. 2 was the Paul and Silas. 1 was the little baby born in Bethlehem. Children go where I send thee. How will I send thee? Oh, I'm gonna send 10 by 10. 10 commandments. 9 with the 9 that stood in line. 8 with the 8 that waited at the gate. 7 with the 7 that didn't get heaven. 6 with the 6 that didn't get fixed. 5 with the 5 that came back alive. 4 with the 4 that stood at the door. 3 with the Hebrew children. 2 with the Paul and Silas. 1 was a little baby born in Bethlehem. Born in Bethlehem.
The sun is slowly sinking. The day is almost gone. Still darkness falls all around us, and we must journey home. The darkest hour is just before dawn. The narrow way leads on. Lay down your soul at Jesus' feet. The darkest hour is just before dawn. Like a shepherd out on the mountain, watching the sheep down below. He's coming back to claim us. Will you be ready to go? The darkest hour is just before dawn. No narrow way leads on. Lay down your soul at Jesus' feet. The darkest hour is just before dawn. The darkest hour is just before dawn. The darkest hour is just before dawn. Hear that lonesome whippoorwill. He sounds too blue to fly. The midnight train is winding low. I'm so lonesome I could cry. I've never seen a night so long when time goes crawling by. The moon just went behind the cloud to hide his face and cry. Did you ever see a robin weep when leaves began to die? Like me, he's lost a way to live. I'm so lonesome I could cry. The silence of the falling star lights up the purple sky. And as I wonder where you are, I'm so lonesome I could cry. I'm so lonesome I could cry.
I just pulled onto the highway in my little foreign car, where the training and the roads are really bad. Never saw that big old diesel, but I heard him hit the air. I got a feeling that I might have made him mad. When he closed the gap between us, put the pedal on the floor, he's making 90 in that big old diesel truck. I can hear the names he's calling me above the engine's roar, and the words he won't be found in Webster's book. There's a diesel on my tail making 90 miles an hour. Reflection in my mirror's mighty pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. Can this compact take the impact? There's a diesel on my tail. Well, I'm puffing and puffing as I try to make a grade, and I wish I had some pedals on this car. Man, I'm slipping and I'm sliding, and afraid to touch the brakes, cause this doodlebug could never stand the jar. There's a diesel on my tail making 90 miles an hour. Reflection in my mirror's mighty pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. Can this compact take the impact? There's diesel on my tail. Well, I'm slipping and sliding, trying to hold it in the road, and I tell you I've just got to win this race. While I'm trembling and shaking, he's pouring on the cold. He's so close that I can't steal his license plate. There's diesel on my tail making 90 miles an hour. Reflection in my mirror is mighty pale. I can hear St. Peter calling, I can almost smell the flowers. Can this compact take the impact? There's diesel on my tail. Can this compact take the impact? There's diesel on my tail.